Holomo mmerekomo, holomo bolwetsi jo.
No, you cannot debate taking my time. No, sit down. You can't take my time. You can't take my time.
No, you gave him your time.
No. I said 50
you can't
seconds.
take it back. There's no other like that. You gave him your time.
No, you can't do that.
You gave him the time.
Ja ka moete dipelo a khanetswa na bua a re bo tlhoka tlhobolo tse tlhano re tlhoka ditlhobolo tse di hetang botlhano gore re lwantshe bolwetsi jo ga o neela nako re ke bue ke go baakanyetse ke tla bua jana re tlhwaetse gare mo metshamekong bolwetsi jo ke mathata a re bo lebeleleng ile go mo ile mathata.
Look, but I honorable. You agree on 50 seconds and not Bon, it may be that China has not cleared COVID-19 go Wuhan.
Thank you.
The fact, yes, it may be that way. But the fact of the matter is that Mahatsi haba tsaya bo 6 months bale baba tangore motho a go busa ale knows. The point we are making ke gore China e dirile mo e ka go khona mo di kgweding di ka nna 2 ebile ba iteletse
clarification.
I will never ever give you clarification.
Yeah, but you must not mislead the House.